All right, so I know you've seen those videos where folks are yanking on people's head, making all these noises, and it looks like it feels awesome. But I gotta let you know, this video is about some cautions about it. So, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin. I'm a chiropractor. I help people to change their lives by removing the blockages in their health so that they could lead amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. If you are someone you know has gone through that and needs help, feel free to write down below. I always look to try and help out. Now, these videos you might see where people are pulling their head and they hear all these noises and you see the person go, what's going on there is actually can be really dangerous. And in order to figure out if it's right for you or if something like that is right for you, you've got to go through a thorough and detailed exam. Now, I don't know what these docs on the internet are doing who do these videos, but if you haven't been checked, you've got to be sure that you have a thorough exam. And in doing that, you've got to be sure the doctor is looking at your x-rays, checking for instabilities, too much motion, too little motion. You've got to make sure that they're doing tests to determine, is there neurological breakdown that may cause those problems, those moves, to cause even more problems. You've got to be really careful with that because it can be very dangerous. If you or someone you know has gone through that, go ahead and write down below and tell me what your experience is like. If you need help finding someone who can check you out properly, also go ahead and write down below. I'll do my best to help you find someone who can. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.